Hello, I'm Matteo, the Chief Mobile Opinionist at Tech Travel Geeks, and this is the unboxing and first impressions of the CLCKR Grip and Stand Case that we have been sent to review. So thanks to CLCKR for providing us with this review unit. And if you don't already, please do subscribe to the Tech Travel Geeks here on YouTube. Right then, so as many of you know and probably saw, I have unboxed and been using an iPhone 11 for a few months at this point. And one of the things that I always do is have a case on my phone. It's always good to have some form of protection to make sure that it doesn't smash when you drop it. But some cases, such as the CLCKR case that we have here, also have extra functionality. They allow you to stand the phone up and use it in different contexts. So let's have a look at the packaging. This is obviously made for bricks and mortar retail. It has packaging with details of the company. It has a see-through bit at the front here where you see the case itself with the CLCKR stand. And you also have the option to take it out of the case and try it out. So apart from this very fancy packaging that highlights some of the use cases for the CLCKR case, it's really easy to get into, it was really easy to open, and that's pretty much it. This is my iPhone 11, the standard one with 2 lenses, and it's pretty simple. You just slide the device in and it fits very snugly. It's nice and slim, and being transparent, it can show off the color of your case and the color of your phone. So here you can see there's perfect cutouts for volume rocker on the left-hand side of the phone and for the silence switch. And then there's a perfect insert for the power button. So everything you need is done. The sensors at the top of the screen are not covered, and it doesn't stick out too much. But you can see it's got a nice bit of heft, so if you were to drop it vertically, the corner of the case would take most of the impact. Now, the unique thing about the CLCKR cases is the CLCKR slider itself. So this is a tool that comes in and out. It allows you to hold the device with your fingers, and so if you're holding the device like this, you're less likely to drop it. Now, this is not just for that, it clicks in so it doesn't stick out very far, but it's very useful, for example, for putting your phone up to, in this case, let me click it in. So you can use your phone in portrait mode for watching video, landscape mode for watching video, in portrait mode for video calls or FaceTime calls, and also what they call telco mode. So you hold it up this way because you have the microphone and speakers at the bottom of the iPhone are lined up at the bottom, so you can be facing the speakers and microphone when on a voice call. So that's how it is. So it's a simple thing. It clicks in, as you can hear, and that's probably where the company name is. The product name is CLCKR, and when it clicks in, it doesn't really take up much space in the bag. That's a very useful feature. Now, one of the cool things about this is that it's made out of pleather, that's plastic leather, and it clicks in and out quite easily. And when holding it in hand, it feels quite good as well. So, as far as functionality is concerned, this works well. Let's see how it handles the charger. So this is a lightning connector, it's a third-party one that I have. Plugs in, seems to not have any issue taking the slightly wider connector of this third-party cable. And let's check one more thing. I have my wireless Qi charger here. This is the wireless standard Apple uses. Is the case with the CLCKR is slim enough to allow wireless charging? I haven't used this wireless charger in a while because I have a stand one next to my bed, and I've never used it with an iPhone. The contact for charging the iPhone is in a slightly different place on this one. So, as you can see, it works fine with the iPhone without the case. Let's put the iPhone back in the CLCKR case. So clicking it in like that. So the CLCKR is folded in the case. I will put it down sideways. And there you have it. You can see that the iPhone is charging with the case on. So the case with the clicker is slim enough to be used with a wireless charger. So all good there. So what I particularly like about this case is that the cutout for the camera is just thick enough so that your camera lenses are not touching the surface when placed on a flat surface. You're also slightly raised because of the clicker itself. So this is ideal if you want to be in this, avoid the situation where you accidentally scratch the lens to your iPhone camera when facing it down on a surface. So overall, very positive first impressions. This clicker case is good, seems to do everything it says in the box, and in the context of travel, obviously there are lots of uses for it, but as we're all at home at the moment, doing our best to stay at home and do practice social distancing, there are a few use cases when you're at home. We're all using Zoom, FaceTime, Facebook Messenger, and Google Duo to make more calls and keep in touch with friends and family. The clicker for using the device either in portrait mode, let me click it in, there we go, either in portrait mode, landscape mode, or in telco mode, is ideal for those long calls where you might not want to be holding the phone all the time. So that's all for this quick unboxing of the clicker case for iPhone. Thank you to Clicker for sending us the review device, and thank you for watching if you've made it this far. If you don't already, please do subscribe to the Tech Travel Geeks on YouTube. And I will also be putting an Amazon affiliate link under this video in the description on YouTube. So if you want to purchase one, you can do so, whilst also supporting the Tech Travel Geeks. But for now, thanks for watching, and goodbye.